low-key day for us.
It's like 11.
We're just getting around, so.
We hit it pretty hard last night. Not drink-wise, but like...
Staying up,
yeah,
gambling.
having fun, high-fiving.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
Room service.
I was down, and then I was winning good on a crazy money. Michelle's a little down, but not really.
Yeah, we're good.
We're doing good. Okay, guys, we'll talk to you later. Bye. So this trip to breakfast has been awesome. Also, the chocolate muffins are plentiful.
Yeah.
Aren't they, Michelle?
Yeah, I said that yesterday.
Guys,
this is what I got for breakfast.
This is the best chocolate dessert they have on the ship.
And we're sitting outside the beautiful Progresso.
Yeah. The water looks nice, Michelle.
Yeah, I wish there weren't freight things right here, but I understand that that's how life works. We eat now. Hey, I got Mongolian wok. Josh just drinking drinks for lunch. I had a littler breakfast than what I would normally have, so I could have this.
It smells wonderful though, and
It's
it was
tasty.
pretty good.
It's chicken, noodles.
We've never had a Mongolian wok on a cruise ship,
No.
but we are drinking. We've had that lots on a cruise ship.
Jen and Justin are bad influences.
And Carl is awesome.
Everybody's awesome.
Well,
really.
yeah, they're all awesome.
Carl did something real funny yesterday. We'll talk about it later.
Yeah.
Bye. It was so good, Josh decided to get some too. We got the Thai barbecue sauce, and you got pork.
It's really good.
It's so good, isn't it?
I might try a Szechuan next time.
I wish we would have had this from the first day.
Yeah.
Guys.
And then somebody had a big plate of the barbecue too, and it looked amazing. The mac and cheese.
I'd rather have this than that.
Look at this, guys. Really good.
I think of the 3 places to eat for lunch, this would be my favorite.
It's really good, and also
super hot. Look at the steam coming off that. So good.
really good. To watch a movie.
Aquaman.
So I'm gonna lay down here. So,
Movie time.
see, I've watched a movie inside before once. Maybe on the Fantasy.
I don't know. Yeah. Yep.
And it was alright. It was Spider-Man. But this is a different setup than that. That was like in a room on a big TV, not a screen.
With chairs, like, set up?
Yeah, like chairs set up, yeah.
So,
Like, got kids like staring at us and shit.
thought somebody was gonna sit with us.
If I get up, dude, seriously.
Put my leg there.
What William said, get them kids out of here. It's a kid movie. Hey, I like this sign. Cool. So, Michelle, what are we doing? What time is it? Time check.
2.
Okay, so it's 2 o'clock. We've been up literally like 4 hours, right?
We're falling asleep on the movie.
Yeah, watching Aquaman. We're going back to take a nap now again.
We're both snoring.
But we'll be up late again. Last night we were.
Hitting it hard.
Yeah.
So listen, I'm always like, I'm not gambling anymore. I'm done
not
smoking
smoking
cigarettes.
cigarettes.
You're not even pointing it at me.
Oh.
I'm done smoking cigarettes. And now I'm like, well, we're gonna party tonight. So
How do you always do that?
I don't know. This is how we roll, man.
That's how you do it every
Let's see what's.
Oh, yeah.
I love coming back to a made-up room.
Yep, we do.
We got a little elephant.
Jen? What the frick, Jen?
Get your cups.
Yeah,
We got an elephant.
I might as well throw them cigarettes away, Michelle.
No, I was thinking about it.
I might as well just throw these away.
Don't. No. We kept our room decently clean.
Yeah, yes. Our cookies are still over there. I'm like,
Yeah, I might have a cookie.
yeah.
Bye, guys. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it.
There's always food in the hallway. Michelle's hungry. Look at that one.
Oh, look at this one.
Michelle, look at that one. S'mores and honey graham.
Jeez. That's a lot of stuff on there.
Michelle, what do you think about that one?
That doesn't look good. That donut looks delish.
That one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We just hit 15!
Not me.
15.
We're really at 16.
Krista, Al, G, the list goes on and on of subscribers.
We actually had more. Bees.
Now we just need a bit better reason to make fun of Josh.
There's Bill. Oh, Bill's not there.
Big dog.
The big guy and a little small guy right next to him. What you do tonight? Turn 20 into 150? What?
And then we got
Busting it down.
I lost just a bunch of money, so that's that. But you just what you got?
They want to give us some sauce.
Mushroom pizza. Ew. Hey, what you got over there? Show us.
Oh yeah. Hey,
Got a bunch of rabbit food.
it's delicious.
What? Oh! Throwing chicken head on that.
I had a close up like here.
And then we were walking out. And
Oh!
the guy came from
2:00 in the morning.
Yo!
We still out.
Bill's here. Amanda. Jen.
Justin trying to play some quarters.
It's floating.
We out here.
Even though Bill and Amanda are from Ohio, I still like them. And Justin's a Patriots fan, and I still like him. So there we go.
big talk right there.
Yeah, we have fun. Sorry about our vlogs this time, guys. Don't tell us that you're disappointed.
They suck.
Yeah, so go suck an egg.
Oh, God.